What's up, everybody? Tonight we're making pumpkin bread. So I already got my oven preheating to 350 degrees, and the first thing we're going to do is mix together our dry ingredients. Guys, cheers and let's cook. We are going to go into our bowl with 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And I'm just going to whisk all that together. Now we'll put that to the side, mix together our wet ingredients. Next, I'm going to go into a separate bowl with 15 ounces of pumpkin puree, 1.5 quarter cups of sugar, brown sugar, 3/4 cup of white sugar, 3 eggs, half a cup of buttermilk, 1 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And now I'm just going to give all of that a good whisk. That is all well incorporated, nice and smooth. So now we're going to whisk in our dry ingredients into our wet ingredients. That's looking nice and smooth. Time to pan it up. This is going to make us 2 9x5 loaf pans. So before I go on with my batter, I'm going to dip a paper towel in some oil and just wipe the inside of my pans. And we'll pour in our batter and we'll be ready to bake. We've got our batter evenly distributed between our 2 pans, so now we're going to go into our 350 degree oven for an hour or until you can stick a toothpick in and it comes out nice and clean. Those baked for 1 hour, pulled them out, checked them with a toothpick, came out nice and clean. So now I'm just going to take them, pop them out of the pan, get them onto a resting rack, and we are going to let those sit for at least 15 to 20 minutes before we cut into them. We have some awesome pumpkin bread here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe to the channel. Guys, cheers, and I'll see you next time.